Are you searching Google and watching YouTube but could not understand NEET admission counseling even after watching lot of videos? If your answer is yes, you are not alone. Even after spending lot of time online, 9 out of 10 parents and doctors feel the same. There are two ways to learn about NEET admission counseling. Plus 2 students who value money more than time choose the free YouTube option. They learn on their own by watching random videos. It takes up to 3 months of effort to know about counseling. Second option is chosen by doctors and parents who value both time and money. They choose paid video course or ebook option. Paid courses contain counseling concepts in a structured order. This step-by-step approach saves lots of time in learning. During choice filling, you need to make sure that your college choice preference list is based on education quality, clinical exposure, service period, bond penalty, stipend, etc. rather than tuition fees. Any choice filling mistake during choice filling may result in loss of money or time or both. More importantly, it also takes away your mental peace. If you are looking for NEET UG, PG or super specialty counseling courses, install MBBSCouncil Android App. It contains counseling related ebooks and video courses. Check out NEET Counseling Beginners ebook. It will help you to learn counseling concepts within 2 hours for the price of one movie ticket. More than 1 lakh parents and doctors trust MBBS Council to get best medical course and college for their NEET rank. What are you waiting for? Install MBBS Council app now. The only app which contains everything you need for NEET counseling.